Habitat for Humanity crib. We doing it big.
To get the blue tape up, so that we can help with the waterproofing part of the basement. And once they're finished with this, we're going to put all of that dirt, show the dirt.
You see the dirt?
There's mud mountain, right? And it's going to go down in here. Even with the rocks and stuff down there too?
How we gonna get the dirt in there?
With the shovels in that.
That's a whole bunch of sugar. I'm not comparing them as long. Come on, we about to go back in the house.
So it's a 4-bedroom house, 2 baths, and then in the basement, it's a full basement, but it's unfinished. So we make it available, but we don't actually do any finish work.
See the house though. Nice though. I'm telling you. It's a nice little house though. It's good though. You see we got workers down here. We got workers. You see Sean down there. Sean, say what's up to the video. What up? Des, get your video time in.
Hey, shout out to JFK Habitat, man. We've been in the house over here on the west side. We doing what we gotta do, man. Good project.